Alright, here we are. It is the day after Christmas, December 26th. It is 5:53 in the afternoon. We're in Middletown, just left Galleria. Actually, just left Sam's Club. We're getting gas. And it is snowing up a storm. Look at that. Oh, yeah. This is heaven. My wife doesn't approve, but this is heaven. What does she know? She's just a girl.
What?
Alright, here we are on Route 17. Just entered it, going toward Monticello from Middletown. And it does not look like it's been plowed yet at all. Thank goodness for very good snow tires, front-wheel drive, and nerves of steel. Can you see the snow blowing? The headlights?
Hey, mira, nos vamos a matar.
No, we're not going to die. I'm trying to get the blowing snow effect. Video.
Many more storms, you know,
Ah!
right now.
Right. Who knows? This may be the only storm of the year. Let's take advantage of it. Here we are about to climb Wurtsboro Mountain. Actually, we are climbing Wurtsboro Mountain, and the snow is blowing like crazy. Very, very admirable storm, yes indeed. Perfect to be driving in. Alright, here's exit 113, and the mountain begins to get steep. And these most excellent snow tires are still holding.
Oof.
Yep, you can hardly see anything. We just passed a stuck truck, a stuck pickup, and a stuck and sliding car. This is what happens when you don't have snow tires.
Oh, the wind.
Yeah, the wind's pretty strong. It's pushing the car left and right.
Hopefully we're almost by 110.
We just passed exit 112, right?
Yeah.
Or the sign for exit 112. No, we passed the sign for Maston Lake for exit 112. They're plowing the other side of the road, but they're not plowing this side of the road.
Be careful because the road narrows here.
Yeah, I know.
David, tú vas a salir.
What are you talking about?
You're at the edge. There's no three ways anymore.
I can see, honey. I can see. Look at that snow blow. We are going up Sunset Drive from Route 42, taking it real slow because the snow is thick up here. It has not been plowed. up Cooper's Corners, another unplowed road. Snow is still blowing. That wind's very strong. It's kicking the car around. Bless you.
Me?
Bless you. I love driving around in the snow. What have you got to say to that? Huh?
I don't think so, honey. I'm so happy we're home.
Chicken.
No, yeah, so chicken, so much driving, que ya debe estar hecho sopa.
Oh, look how pretty the house looks in the snow. Well, I just want to see, that's all. Stop crying. I'm turning you around right here. You're gonna be on YouTube. You're crying like a baby. Like a spoiled baby. You're a toad. Look at that. Looks so beautiful in the snow.
You cannot see anything in the camera.
Yes, you can.
Amor, all this snow is going to be tomorrow.
It's going to be even more snow tomorrow.
So they will be more happy. So now, do you mind going inside the house? Now you can go outside and play with it.
Alright. We are now safely inside the house. Yep. Beautiful snow. Those are good 3-inch treads already in the snow. And it's only been snowing a couple hours, maybe 3 hours. So 1 inch an hour.